Auto Body Repair Shops Cedar Park TX, local collision repairs. Are you looking for the best automobile body service center in Cedar Park, Texas? Having a mishap or accident is a very demanding experience, but one can easily get the broken vehicle back in a good condition if you discover a great car service center to fix the damage to your automobile. Try to find someone who can give you a complete series of services. One of the mostly commonly used methods of discovering a trusted car accident service center is word-of-mouth suggestions. You will discover a variety of service centers that claim to supply the very best services. Nevertheless, it is best to shortlist those repairers whom any of your buddies, household or associates have actually tried. Their personal experience with a repairer can help you to a terrific level in making a right choice. Your insurance company is most likely to know people who can help you with cost estimates. In fact, it may even have a team of specialists designated to give accident repair work estimates. Aside from providing quotes after assessing the condition of your vehicle, your insurer may provide you with a list of approved collision service centers where you can go and take advantage of your vehicle insurance coverage. To get a much better or less expensive price quote, make certain to abide by the business requirements. Contact our effective and professional team to discover more about our numerous services to fulfill your auto body shop needs. Our professional mechanics have lots of experience, which ensures you'll get the best crash repair service. We're waiting to speak with you and to answer any concerns you may have on how we can best serve your auto body requirements. Contact us now and let us show you the many options we provide to fix your vehicle and get you back in your car or truck again. See below for more information.